home of the holy men, haunt of phantoms. The woods are a place that dismiss the comforts of man. It encroaches upon the neglected, threatening to devour our own homes once we are gone. Children peer into the dark between the trees, seeking secrets in the murmur of its shadows. How the city man has forgotten its quiet fierceness and comes to enjoy a shaded walk. But to make a home here is forbidden. Of men, all may pass along the well-worn way, but only those who toil towards another world may stay. The robed monks and hermits who rejected the household life wander along guiding streams towards empty groves and hollow caves where no man can call their name. He spreads his cloth and lays down his staff, thinking, perhaps here the jungle of the mind will be tamed. But the woods watch with measuring thoughts. Should I send an enemy or a friend to test this wanderer with no name? Accounts of old of holy fame tell how a dimming trail would lead to rusty bowls and ragged robes torn and bloodied, where upon the path side a skull remained. Prowling beasts sent to settle old scores from past lives to those who measured short of holiness. Unripe and distasteful to the ancient wild, who sees its own ugliness in the hearts of unripened monks. Yet those same accounts tell of a voyage by night beneath the sleeping boughs of old trees. Despite warnings, the good monk went on, guided by his candlelight. But in the darkness, a deep threatening growl hovered toward him, and then a second rumbled from behind. Now the fruit of my karma will be served, the forest monk thought, and he entered into the absorptions, where the mind ascends the body, and pain can no longer be felt. In that golden bliss he bathed, waiting. But no change came. So he sunk down into the flesh again and opened his eyes. Naught was seen as darkness enveloped him. Ah, the candle is burnt out. I have been standing here many hours then. Those two fearsome tigers have let me be. My teacher of old, a mighty monk of Myanmar, spent many years perfecting himself in the jungle, wandering and sleeping in caves that lay near the ancient ruins of holy pagodas that he would later reclaim from the jungle to pay them honor that was fitting. Hunger played the then hermit, who rejected the eating of meat. Many days his meals were nothing more than bark peeled from trees and leaves picked from shrubbery. The forest watched him travail, yet whenever the hunger threatened to take him, sat cross-legged, he would hear the soft fall of footsteps on the forest floor. A handsome man would appear, with a hearty meal at hand. An angel in disguise, perhaps, wishing to encourage the good hermit. The water of the world feeds first the mountain forests and the hermits who hide within, passing on then to the villages of the valleys, from where it falls and flows on and on through towns and cities, before ending its journey in the salty sea, where it dies and is reborn again as rainfall on fair green leaves. It is born again pure, a maiden of life, yet becomes sullied by the busyness of the lay person as it passes on its way to the sea again, losing life through filth. Perhaps that is what the misty forests protect, and deem only those pure enough, worthy of its virgin springs. Would you dwell among the curious roots and patient boulders? Would you chance an encounter with a hungry beast? Would you slumber among the spirits, both friends and foes? Would you slash through the thickets of the mind to discover a golden citadel, while creeping things scurry across your thighs? The woods will extinguish the unworthy. Are you worthy?